Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the bus simulation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then in a few seconds you will be able to customize your account profile on the Bus Simulator Ultimate application, where you are going to be a bus driver basically. So you will need to add your driver name. So click on the career button, which is the orange one, and then tap on this X button in the upper right corner of the screen again, and then click on this section in the upper left corner. You should tap on the edit button, and here you can select your avatar. Tap on the choose button, and here you can select from a bunch of available avatars. So you can also select the logo of your company. Tap on the choose button again, and if you slide or scroll down, you can see that you have a bunch of company logos. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. After that you can add your company name and your driver name as well. If you are done with adding all this information, click on the edit button down below so you have customized your driver account. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.